ラブスバルでしょ。
The Toyota 86 and the Subaru BRZ are 2+2 sports cars jointly developed by Toyota and Subaru, manufactured at Subaru's Gunma assembly plant. The 2+2 fastback coupe is noted for its naturally aspirated boxer engine, front-engined, rear-wheel drive configuration, 53/47 front/rear weight balance and low center of gravity, and for drawing inspiration from Toyota's earlier E86, a small, light, front-engine/rear drive Corolla variant widely popular for showroom stock, Group A, Group N, rally, club and drift racing. For the first-generation model, Toyota marketed the sports car as the 86 in Asia, Australia, North America, from August 2016, South Africa, and South America, as the Toyota GT86 in Europe, as the 86 and GT86 in New Zealand, as the Toyota FT86 in Brunei, Nicaragua, and Jamaica, and as the Scion FRS 2012 to 2016 in the United States and Canada. At the 2010 Tokyo Motor Show, Toyota launched its G Sports line of aftermarket accessories, along with the FT86 G Sports concept car. It featured G Sports carbon fiber panels, a vented bonnet, rear wing, 19 and 48 cm, wheels, Recaro race seats, and an interior roll cage. The D4S engine also added a turbocharger. In 2011, Toyota and Subaru unveiled 5 near-production concept cars to show their progress with the project. The first, known as the FT86-2 concept, was unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2011. ED2 refined the design of the initial FT86 by developing new front and rear fascias and marginally increasing the dimensions of the concept. At the same show, Subaru unveiled a transparent silhouette of the car showing the new D4S Boxer engine and displayed the Boxer sports car architecture. Scion followed in April 2011 at the New York International Auto Show with the FRS Sports Coupe concept, co-developed with aftermarket tuner 5-axis. Another semi-transparent Subaru concept, known as the BRZ Prologue, was shown at the Frankfurt Motor Show that September, followed in November at the Los Angeles Auto Show by the BRZ Concept ST, the first full mock-up of Subaru's version of the 86 with input from Subaru Technica International, STI. The production Toyota 86 debuted at the December 2011 Tokyo Motor Show. Its development was led by Chief Engineer Tetsuya Tada. All variants are built at Subaru's Gunma main plant, with the first cars assembled on February 2, 2012 before sales began in March and deliveries in April. 7,000 orders were placed for the Toyota 86 in the first month of production, while Subaru took in 3,500 orders. The 86's low-weight design uses an aluminum hood, a fixed roof, and a trunk as opposed to a hatchback. To improve driving dynamics, the Boxer engine is mounted low in a front-engine/rear drive layout, yielding a weight distribution of 53% in front and 47% in the rear and a low center of mass height. The 86's engine, known by the Toyota code for UGSE and Subaru code FA20, is a naturally aspirated engine that uses Subaru's flat-4 engine design, with the addition of Toyota's D4S injection system, which uses gasoline direct injection (GDI). With its front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, its engine runs on 98 RON, premium unleaded, fuel and features a compression ratio of 12.5 to 1 with a bore and stroke of 86 mm, 3.39 in, for a total displacement of 2.0 L, 121.9 cu in, 1,998 cubic centimeters. That results in 200 PS, 197 brake horsepower, 147 kilowatts, at 7,000 RPM and 151 lb-ft, 205 Nm of torque at 6,400 RPM. The 86, BRZ and FRS are offered with 2 6-speed transmissions, an in-house developed Toyota TL70 manual gearbox, based on Aisin AI's AZ6, and an Aisin Warner A960E automatic transmission, which is modified from that used on the Lexus IS250. The vehicles are offered with 16-inch steel and alloy wheels shod with Yokohama DB Decibel 70 tires in 205/55 size or 17 alloy wheels shod with Michelin Primacy HB tires in 215/45 size.